That Igo reminds me of a poodle. Very aggressive for such a small thing. No lights. Look at this. Honestly, that's nice. I cannot think of a sane reason why that guy would want to cross over. I mean, just go to the next off ramp, go up it, and come down on the other side. But to go through the middle island, I must admit I'd done it myself, but only when I got caught in a traffic jam inadvertently. Makes it look quite mystical. Full of fog. There, in the mist again. Whoa! Beautiful. It seems the enthusiasm for jogging up and down the motorway has waned a bit. Oh, we have 3 brave souls. And under the bridge we have some more. And 1 idiot soul running across the road. Put on my fog lights. Alright. So what are we up to now? 8, 11, 13, 14. 19. Really can't see now. No, I can, but I can't see long distances to go over 100 k's an hour. It's cleared up a little bit. It's always the way when you start saying something, it changes. And then what you're saying is no longer valid. Looks like it's coming back though. Yep, another roadblock here. Another serious roadblock for the public transport industry, I would imagine. Count the number of police cars and ghost cars. Soldiers. Come on, officer. Alright, there's only one thing for me to do. Stay within good parameters of the speed limit and go around it. That's kind of you, but I suspect it's not for me. Don't do that. Why do you want to tap your brakes? Shielded by a truck. Yeah, okay. That's cool. A truck and a bus. I wonder what is happening here. Okay, let's go through and see if we can make it. Okay. Let's see. Gently does it. Gently does it. He does it. Gently does it. I want to see tire pressures. Mate, I want to see tire pressures. Hey. That's very kind of you, thank you. And look at this lot. Blue lights up front. Do you think there's an issue? Whee, this guy's brave on his bicycle. Could be a crime incident. I'm a bit nervous about just driving through here. No. Okay. Thank you. There's definitely an issue. Definitely an issue here somewhere. Police, more police. Wait. They must be gearing up for something. Those folks look like they were marching. Slowly but surely being dismantled, this fucking fence. Hey, welcome to Africa. You would think a concrete fence would be pretty safe, but it's not. Can be used as building material. Plinth. Is a fence when it's concrete? Is it not maybe a wall? What's the difference? I imagine the purpose of language is to be understood. So whether it's a fence, a wall, or a barrier, people will more than likely understand. The moon is at 3/4. The GTI there, stop moving so I can go. Hey. You see the camera? So I have to go across here cautiously. Make sure I'm not going over during a red robot or red traffic light, red signal, and speeding, because those are multi-purpose cameras, those speeding and contravention of a red signal. Now, should I go straight or should I go on the motorway? Okay, let's move over to give yourself an option. Alright, through the middle. Alert level 3 traffic is almost the same as what it was before lockdown.